Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Linktree account. If you no longer need your Linktree profile and want to permanently remove it, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct Linktree account, since deleting an account is usually a permanent action and may not be easily undone. Start by going to the Linktree admin area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your links, settings, and account details. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that everything looks familiar and that you're in the right place before moving forward. Next, look to the top left area of the screen and click on Account. This opens a section where Linktree keeps your profile and account-related settings. Depending on your screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the account option should still be easy to find near the upper left side. After that, click on Account again if needed to enter the full account settings page. This step takes you from the general dashboard into the specific area where account management options are available. If the menu expands or shows additional choices, make sure you select the main account settings option. Once you are on the account page, scroll all the way to the bottom. Important actions like account deletion are often placed near the lower end of settings pages, so keep scrolling until you reach the final section. Take your time here and read any information shown on the screen, especially if there are warnings about what will happen after deletion. When you reach the bottom, click on Delete Account. This is the option that begins the removal process. Since this is a major action, Linktree may present a message explaining that your profile, links, and related account data will no longer be accessible after deletion. Finally, select the confirmation option to complete the process. This step verifies that you truly want to delete the account. Be sure to review the confirmation carefully before submitting it, because once confirmed, the deletion may happen immediately or shortly after. And that's it. Your Linktree account deletion request will be completed once the confirmation is accepted. If you're unsure at the final screen, pause for a moment and double check before confirming. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide helped you successfully remove your Linktree account.